Hey everyone, Danny Webster here from Pocketnow.com, and if you've been following us on Twitter, you know how convenient it is to stay up to date on news, tips and tricks, and software. And the program I'm going to show you today is called Twikini, and this is a Windows mobile-based Twitter program. And the first thing you'll see when we load the page is actually all of our Twitter updates that we're following. So these are people that we're following on Twitter, and these are all their updates. So we can just scroll down and see what's been going on with my people. We can also tweet ourselves, so if we wanted to post something like an update or an interesting news article or something that we found, we can do that. A cool thing about this program is that you can add GPS coordinates or an address if you have a GPS enabled Windows mobile device. You can also add pictures and a shortened URL. I say shortened URL because this program only allows you to have 140 characters to type in, so this becomes rather convenient if you're wanting to post a link. Just hit cancel. We'll go into the @experience right here, and this is your username, so @experience is me, and these are replies that people have posted to my posts on Twitter. So you can see some of them that have posted here, and some of these faces look pretty familiar, of course. As you can tell, these are Pocketnow people. You can also go to direct messages, and this is like an email set up for Twitter, so these are private messages that people have posted directly to you that aren't displayed on your Twitter page. You can also go into favorites, so if you have something that you found interesting on Twitter that you'd like to save, you can do that from here. You can also go into public timeline. And these are the updated posts. As you can see, some of them are just 1 or 2 seconds long. These are the newest posts on Twitter that people posted from around the world. So if you want to see what's going on in the world, you can do that from here. You can also refresh and switch accounts. So if I wanted to go to my Pocketnow Tweets account, I can do that pretty easily just by clicking one button. We can see what people have posted on our Pocketnow Tweets. We'll just go back. You can also go under Tools and go to Users. So if I wanted to go to a user, if I know a user's name, I can just type it directly in here and it will actually go to that user. So just hit cancel. And if I click on one of the user profiles here, I can see what the latest post is, and I can go down here and go to user and see the profile. And this shows me how many people are following and how many people Pocketnow Tweets is following themselves. It also gives you their website, and we can update that also. We can also go under Tools and go to Options, and this allows us to change some of our display. So if I wanted to change the font size or the theme, if I wanted to select a different theme like Seattle, I can do that. You can also see if you want to display full names or just screen names. So click Done, and you can automatically refresh. So I have it set for every 15 minutes. You can play a sound and you can also disable refresh when you're roaming. So just click Done. You can go to Data and Download, so you can see that it will download the latest tweets, so you can have up to 200 tweets, and it will also download images if you select that as well. And it will also give you your cache information, so we can either clear it or just hit cancel. You can also send feedback, so if I wanted to send a message directly to the developers of Twikini, I can do that and give my GPS coordinates so they know where I'm coming from. I just hit cancel. It also gives you the ability to check for updates. So if I wanted to look for updates, it'll launch our default internet browser. And we have the latest version running, of course. We'll just close that. The program does come with a 14-day trial, but the prices range from $0 if you want to post a link of Twikini directly from your website, up to $9.95. So I will post a link on Pocketnow.com as to how to get this, and remember to follow us on Pocketnow Tweets. Thanks for watching.